Well, guys, you better wake up to what's going on. A couple days ago, Uncle Jim had mentioned to me in a comment that some guy in Czechoslovakia, their group, bought Vista Outdoors. They are the civilian ammo makers of the United States. At least three of the largest. So I looked that up and I put it in favorites, and I was going to make a video on it, and a lot of things happened between then and now, and I didn't get to it. So anyway, let's see. They're going to rebrand it to Resivix or something like that. Okay. Wow. You better zoom this a little bit. Yeah, they entered into a definite agreement to sell the sporting goods products business to a Czech group for $1.9 billion. Okay. Parent company of 41 renowned brands that design, manufacture, market sporting goods and outdoor products. They've been sold. Wow. In an all-cash transaction. Oh, good Lord, people. Okay, well, we'll get away from that transaction. I'll put a link to this stuff, people. Here's what we're losing. Spear, you know, the ones that make bullets and stuff. Then you have CCI, there goes our primers. Federal. There's a lot of stuff here, people. Three great big companies that make ammo are going to be, well, they're under new leadership. Whether things are going to run smoothly and stay in the United States, or maybe things will be a big bombshell and we won't have nothing left. Well, maybe we might want to think ahead later on, people. We need to form some kind of a co-op. Every firearm owner in the United States pull their money together and buy our own ammo company so we don't have to depend on mishaps. Somebody pulling the rug out from underneath us so that we don't have any ammo at all. Or primers or powder. Just an idea. Now this here is I can't remember the guy's name. God Guns or something. Let's see. Yeah, right here. God, Family, and Guns. Said Vista Outdoors just sold all their ammunition production to one man. I'll put a link to this too so you can go check this out. He did a good job. I'm sorry that I didn't get back to this, because this was on my mind heavily, and then, like I said, some things came up that that were very pressing and I didn't get to it. Alright, I'll put a link to this stuff, people. Heads up. Something else. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching.